welcome to this powerful experience. This is more than just a meditation. This is a nervous system regulation and an energetic activation designed to help you to manifest everything that you want into your life. So if you're ready, I invite you to find a comfortable place to sit or lie down where you're not going to be disturbed for the next 10 or 12 minutes. And if you're sitting comfortably, we'll begin. And just as soon as you're ready, I ask you to take a deep breath in and out. I invite you to bring all of your energy back to you now, back from earlier today, back from last night, back from yesterday, last week, last month, last year, last decade, and all the time that's been before. I invite you to bring all of your energy back from later today, from tonight, from tomorrow, from next week, next month, next year, next decade, and all the time that is still to come. Just be here, be now, be all of who you are. Place one hand on your lower belly, just beneath your belly button, and place the other hand in the center of your chest, over your heart space. And as soon as you're ready, you can close your eyes. We're going to alternate our breathing between our lower and upper hands. For a slow count of 5, breathe in deeply into your lower belly, making your lower hand rise. And breathe out for a slow count of 5. Now for a slow count of 5, breathe deeply into your heart space, making your upper hand rise. And out. And back to breathing into your lower belly. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And into your heart space. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And into your lower belly. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and into your heart space. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And keep this breathing pattern going into your lower belly. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you breathe into your heart space, I want you to bring your awareness into that space. Feel your energy fill the whole area. And with every in-breath, expand your energy further. And with every out-breath, feel your body relaxing more and more and more. Breathe in and extend your energy further and further and further. And out, and relax your body deeper and deeper into a state of deep and complete relaxation. And just do that again on your own. Expand your energy. And relax your body. On your next breath in, I want you to welcome into the top of your head the loving golden light of pure love energy, pure consciousness. You feel the warmth of this energy coating every cell in your body, relaxing you even more deeply. You feel it going through your entire body, combining with your own unique energy and extending out through your feet. Your energy and universal energy carries on traveling through the earth and tethers you to the center of the planet. This combined energy mixes with earth energy before making its way back up through the layers of the earth, back up through your body, back up through the cosmos, and it tethers you also to all that is in the unified field. You are fully grounded and you're infinitely expanded. And just breathe into this expanded state and feel the energy running through you, all the way down and all the way up, all the way down and all the way up in a continuous cycle. Just keep running your energy. Now bring to mind the version of you that's living the life you choose to experience. Notice how they hold themselves and the confidence they feel, and absorb that confidence into your body and your mind now. Notice the peace and serenity that they feel, and absorb that energy into your body and mind now too. And notice the security they feel. This security doesn't come from any external forces. They're secure within themselves. They know who they are. They know what they're capable of. And they deeply love and accept themselves completely. Now absorb that sense of security into your body and mind now. And just spend a few moments being in that state. Know that confidence, serenity, and security are who you are now. Just be here. Be now. Be confident. Be serene. Be secure. Now expand this energy and amplify it. Intensify the power that you're emitting. It's this energy that makes you magnetic to everything you wish to experience in your life. You don't have to chase what you want. It comes to you through alignment and intuitively guided action that feels natural, normal, and easy. And just breathe into that energy again and know that the life that you want is already in existence. It's already done. It's already yours. There's no pushing. There's no proving. You're a powerful creator, and the life that you want comes to you with ease. And just be in that energy. Be in your power as the magnificent creator that you are. Now return your focus back to your breath whilst remaining in this magnetic state of attraction. Breathe into your lower belly. 2, 3, 4, 5. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe into your heart space. 2, 3, 4, 5. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, breathe into your lower belly. 2, 3, 4, 5. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And into your heart space. 2, 3, 4, 5. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And one final time into your lower belly. 2, 3, 4, 5. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe into your heart space. 2, 3, 4, 5. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And notice how relaxed you feel. Notice how grounded you feel. Notice how confident, serene, and secure you feel. Notice the smile that's appeared on your face. And gently tap your chest 3 times to anchor in this feeling. And silently say, "My name is," and state your name as you know it to be. "I am all that I am. My name is," and "I am all that I am. My name is," and "I am all that I am. My happiness, success, and prosperity is inevitable. My happiness, success, and prosperity is inevitable." And stay in that energy for just 1 more minute. Dwell in it. Lean into it. Be all of it. Know that you can always return to this breathing pattern to regulate your nervous system and return yourself to a parasympathetic state of rest, recovery, and receiving. The rich life you want is already yours. And as soon as you're ready, take a full-bodied breath, open your eyes, and carry on with your day, maintaining the energy of all that you are.